Hey everyone, if you're staring at that frustrating CF error code on your Bosch boiler, don't panic. We've got you covered. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about this common issue, including what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, so let's make sure your home stays warm and cozy. First off, what exactly is the CF error code? In Bosch boilers, CF typically stands for a flame failure or ignition problem. This means your boiler is trying to light up but isn't succeeding, which could leave you without hot water or heating. It's a safety feature designed to prevent gas leaks or other hazards, so while it's annoying, it's there for a good reason. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most common culprits include a faulty ignition electrode, issues with the gas supply, or even a blocked flue. Other possibilities are a dirty burner, low water pressure, or problems with the boiler's electronic controls. In older models or those not maintained properly, dust and debris can build up, triggering this error. If you've recently had a power outage or gas interruption, that might be the trigger too. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by checking your gas supply. Make sure the gas is turned on and there's no interruption. Next, reset your boiler by turning it off at the mains for a few minutes and then turning it back on. If that doesn't work, inspect the flue for any blockages and clean it if needed. For more technical fixes, like checking the ignition electrode, you'll want to consult your user manual or a professional. Always prioritize safety. If you're not comfortable with electrical components, call a certified technician. Remember, for 2025 Bosch models, there might be updated diagnostic apps. Download the Bosch app to run a quick check. In summary, understanding and fixing the CF error can save you time and money. If you follow these steps and it persists, it's best to get expert help to avoid bigger issues. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay warm out there.